Last week, I shared ways you can apply to book awards to give you the best chance at winning. Today, I'm going to assume one of those contests went in your favor and you've won. Yay! So, today I want to talk about what to do after you win a book award. First, congratulations. I hope you're celebrating because it's time to. After you win a book award, it's a great opportunity to market and help you make more book sales. Before we dive into that, I want to let you know if you hang on until the end of this video, I'll share how you can get a free revision checklist, which will help you make your stories and books the best versions of themselves to give you the best chance at winning book awards. This is Ignited Ink Writing, a channel dedicated to helping authors like you transform your writing so it lingers with your readers, because writing that lingers gets remembered and recommended to others. I'm Caitlin Burvey, award-winning author and editor. Let's start with sharing your award everywhere. One of the first things you'll want to do after you win a book award is list all of the places you have your book for sale or mentioned. So think about Amazon, your Amazon author pages, your social media, your Ingram Sparks page. All of these different sites, you're going to want to add this book award to that. So make a list before you start adding it everywhere. That'll help you not forget. Also, you do want to mention your book award everywhere possible because some readers think award equals good book. So they're going to see that and give your book more consideration than they might have before. A book award can be the difference between someone saying, I don't think so, to, okay, I'll give this author a shot. How you mention your award can be super simple. You can say something like I did, where it's SIPA Evie first place winner. Or you can get a little bit more descriptive. Some places I put the categories I won. So I took first in fiction overall, first in collections and anthologies, and first in cover design. It depends on how much space I'm allowed as to what I put about the award. Then you also want to put your book award on your cover. How you do this is up to you. You can put just a line that says first place SIPA Evie book award winner. You can put the emblem, and there are two different ways that you can do that. You can do what I did, which is I had my cover designer add the emblem to the book file itself. That way when my books print, they print with the book award on them. But for the books that I had already printed, I couldn't do that, right? So I got book award stickers and I put those on those books. You might want to do something similar. I will say the stickers do take forever if you have a lot of books. They're also going to cost more than if you have it printed into your cover. You can also get books embossed and they can be shiny. Mine is not shiny, but again, that costs more to have done. I wanted to keep the cost of my book low for my readers, so I chose not to do that. Also, my options are more limited when I do print on demand. If you're super lucky and you have a great book and you win more than one award, know that there are certain prestigious book award contests that expect their emblem to be put on the cover of your book. That means that if you win two of those contests, you're going to have to put two of them on the front cover. This can look better or worse depending on the cover that you have, so you might need to have a slight redesign if you win a lot of contests. But if you do, you can probably afford to have that redesign done. If you win one really prestigious award and then some other awards and you don't want to put them all on your cover, put the most prestigious on the cover and then list the other ones on the back. That can be a good compromise. Still list all of them though in your marketing copy. In addition to your sales pages and cover, here's a list of all of the places you might need to list your book award win. First is your book cover. I just wanted to make this list complete. Second is your sales page and your sales copy. So that means that you might have multiple Amazon pages. You want to mention that you're an award-winning author on your Amazon page, and you want to mention the award you won on the book page where readers go to purchase. Also mention your book award on your website. If you have a blog, podcast, or video channel like this one, you want to mention it there. All over your social media, you should have your book award win. This can be and should be multiple posts. So you might take a picture at the award ceremony saying, yay, look, I won. You might take a picture with the physical award if you got a printout or something that you can hold. You might take a picture with your stickers, then a picture where you put them on your book, then a picture where you got a book that had the award already printed on it. All of these things make for great social media content and are advertising your book without shouting at people, "Buy my book." You can also do a press release. Definitely add award-winning author to all of your bios and profiles. Share your award win with your email list. The people on that list love you and your books. They want to celebrate with you. Word of mouth also, tell your friends and family, let them share it. And any marketing materials you have, bookmarks, flyers, handouts, stickers, where appropriate, mention your award win. This works especially well if you have your award on your cover and you're using your book cover on your marketing materials, then it's kind of built in. Basically, anywhere you market, you now want to mention your book award, even if it's as simple as award-winning author. How you go about sharing that you won a book award is going to partially depend on your personality. Are you the type of person who's good at bragging about yourself or is a little bit more modest? The way that you share your book award is going to reflect this. The place that you're talking about your award is going to determine how you talk about it. What I mean by that is this channel is not my author channel. I don't come on here and I'm talking directly to my readers. I'm talking to other authors. So to share my book award win with you, I decided to create a couple of videos about book awards. This way, I'm sticking with my channel's mission, which is to help other authors succeed. So I'm sharing how I found the book awards that I did and what I did to weed out some of the others in my previous video. And in this video, I'm talking about what you can do to use your book award to help market your book. At the same time, I get to share, hey, look, I won a book award. So this place is more informational, and that's the way I went about that. Now on my author pages, like my website, I just shout, hey, look, yay, I won a book award. And it's a little bit of a different tone when I'm doing that. Be sure and include images anytime you're mentioning your book award. Humans are visual creatures. This is going to help reinforce your win, and it's going to help your book look more prestigious and like something readers are going to want to read. One thing that I did when I created a social media post for my book about my award win is I mentioned that my book cover is gold. So I said, look, I think I was destined to win first because it matches my book cover. That was a social media post, and it was a way for me to mention my award win without it being so in your face, look, I won an award all of the time. You might do something similar or not. Do whatever you're comfortable with, but make sure that you share your award everywhere. Next, don't discount the importance of celebrations. As authors, we get feedback a lot, arguably too much. We get feedback from our writers group, from editors, from publishers, from marketers, from readers, and it's everywhere. Because of how prevalent social media is, you can just open up your TikTok and see someone giving a bad review about your book. That kind of sucks. So because we get so much feedback, and because people are more likely to say something when there's something wrong or it's negative than they are to leave a positive review, we need to celebrate our wins. A book award is a win. This is something to be excited about and something to hold on to for those times when maybe you're not feeling so sure of yourself and your writing. Also, as humans, we are biologically wired to pay more attention to the negative than the positive, because something bad and a negative emotion could signal that there's danger and we need to pay attention. So we're less likely to pay attention to the positive, which means it has to be a conscious choice to pay attention to those positive parts of your writing journey. That includes book awards, which means celebrate. Go out to eat with your family and friends. Buy that thing, whether it's a game, a cute outfit, whatever you've had your eye on. You need to take the time to focus on the positive as well as the negative. And if you're like me, this is going to take a little bit of training. For me, a bad review can ruin my day, but a positive review only lasts in my mind for about an hour. I had to work on that. You might have to work on this too, which is why you need to celebrate. Next, I want to share an award-winning author and editor's thoughts on book awards. Winning a book award is an amazing feeling, and it does put a spotlight on your book. However, this is not the end-all be-all of your book marketing. Just because you win an award does not mean your sales are automatically going to spike and stay spiked. That is only the case for huge book awards like the Newbery, the Hugo, things that everyone has heard of. Most book awards are going to help, but not be the thing that shoots your book sales through the stratosphere. So be aware of that. That's why you're going to have to continue your other marketing efforts. That's why you need to keep working on that next book. That doesn't mean you shouldn't take the time to celebrate your win and share it everywhere. You can celebrate and market at the same time. Winning a book award is a mark of success as an author. You've made it in a way. For me as an indie author, winning a book award is something that I hope to do for all of my books that I self-publish especially, because there was no one to tell me, yes, your book is ready for publication. That was just on me. I had to make that judgment call. I didn't have a publisher, so there was no agent, no acquiring editor, no publisher to say, yes, your book is good enough, it's ready. A book award validated my feelings that it was good enough and ready for publication. So it's a form of success for me as an author. You need to think about what success means to you as an author, all of the things that go into that. Some might be loftier goals than others, but is your success things like book awards? Is it things like money? Is it just being read? Is it seeing one person talking about your book on social media? Decide that so that when it happens, you can celebrate that win. Regardless of whether your success right now is a book award or something else, share your current wins in the comments below. I want to see what you consider success as an author and where you are in your writing journey. And for more videos on book awards, publication, and other aspects of writing, subscribe to Ignited Ink Writing, a channel dedicated to helping authors like you transform your writing so it lingers with your readers. Because writing that lingers gets remembered and recommended to others. I'm Caitlin Burvey, award-winning author and editor. To find out more about me, go to ignitedinkwriting.com. That's where you will find a free revision checklist, which will help you make sure that your book or story is the best version of itself that it can be to give you the best chance at winning book awards and contests. And go to caitlinburvey.com to see my book, When Magic Calls, and learn a little bit more about the award it won. You can also see how I approached sharing my win on my website and my social media through there. And now it's your turn to go out and celebrate and use your book award as a marketing opportunity to get more readers and to ignite your ink.